How you doing? Let's just say you're a bike rider, and you're not your average bike rider. You're macho. You're a lone wolf. You like to get out there and really hit it. Well, OutfitR has a bike rack for you. Stay tuned. Along with me, let's show you what I mean. Whoa. Doggone it. That's not the first time that's happened. But, oh, wait a minute. What is it? Oh my goodness, it's from OutfitR. We know they make good stuff. It's an easy fold, one bike rack with ramp. How cool this is for that lone wolf rider out there. Hey, let's check this baby out. Wow, this thing is pretty cool. I only count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces to assemble. That shouldn't take us very long at all. Let's go. And OutfitR always provides us with an instruction manual. You don't have to go online or anything else to track it down. It's right here. Okay, and like that, we're basically done. I'm going to put it on the back on the hitch, 2-inch hitch, and try a bike in it and see what happens. First couple of times you put this bolt in on the back might be a little tight. You've got some coatings on the threads and things, so might take a little longer. Once it's worn in there, you'll be able to go finger tight almost to the end. And our last step, putting it on the machine, is to install that cotter pin lock. Make sure you give yourself some room to get that on and off from the back of the car. Some cars or SUVs are tight in this area, and some have a little bit more space, but it all works and it's really solid. Okay, let's put a bicycle on it. As stated, it does come with a bike ramp, which is nice. You can lift your e-bike on this as well, but these e-bikes weigh anywhere from 75 down to 60-some pounds, so it's nice to have a ramp. We have 2 rubber hold-down straps, and this slider here can be adjusted into multiple locations. Don't forget, our swing arm can go up into place and be located almost anywhere along its travel. And we have a rubber hold-down strap here for the front tire. So typically with most racks, you're going to load it front tire first. So I'm going to get that, and we're going to do it here for the first time on camera, and you're going to see how clumsy I can be with it. I'm going to open up all the strap hold downs. I'm going to get this out of the way for now. I'm going to take this off for the time being to give me plenty of room to maneuver the bicycle on to the rack. So stand by. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, this is my magnificent Cube stereo mountain bike. We're going to toss it into the front wheel cradle there, like that. And we're going to adjust this back against the tire like that. Try to lock it down into place. That'll hold it there. And I'm going to grab the support for the frame, put that onto the upright stand, and grab it. I'm going to attempt to grab it around the mid frame here, see if there's enough room. I have a nice thick mid frame. This is quite a machine. Nope, not enough room to do that, so I'm going to have to go back. And you notice we have that adjustability. I'm going to go back into this area, adjust it upwards a bit, and grab it just under the saddle. I'm going to lock the moving arm holder into place there. May not have a really easy piece to grab that there, but that's not going anywhere. Maybe next time I'll try somewhere in here. But right now that's looking pretty good. So let's tighten the wheels on there. First of all, let's take off the rack. Make sure you don't catch a spoke when you're doing this, because if you tighten it down on a spoke, you could be bending a spoke and causing yourself some trouble. There's a little rubber piece grommet there we use to hold against the tire. Again, be mindful of those spokes there. But she's in, she's good. You could travel anywhere you want. This is a really solidly mounted piece. Now there is a reflector that goes back here you can use. There's also a device to hold the bike ramp in place if you want to, or lock it down. I didn't choose to use that. All right, didn't we have some fun there? So there you have it. We're doing this late afternoon in Southern California, and I think it's pretty nice. You only need a couple of tools to put it together. It's fairly self-explanatory. There are a couple little tricks, and you'll get better at it as you take a bicycle on and off a couple of times, or as you put it together once or more. So, hope you like this. OutfitR, nice job.